Hi guys, welcome to the chaos of my bedroom. I have been filming various videos, so there is crap everywhere on top of the normal crap of my bedroom. So don't be judgy, just pretend you can't see the mess. Thank you. Little haul for you, H&M. Don't think I've done a H&M haul before on my channel, so. But before we get into H&M, there is also a shoe box in here that was not from H&M, but it just arrived, so I thought I'd show you. I've been wanting some new trainers. I bought myself some Skechers like 4 years ago, and they were the best thing. They were a revelation. They're amazing. I love them. And they discontinued them, and they're getting very, very, like, they're on the last legs basically. So I went to the Skechers store and they had a big sale on, and Ben bought me some Skechers, and I tried them on in the shop and they were fine, but they're just not as comfortable. I just don't wear them as much. And I was like, I want some freaking trainers that are comfortable, because I've just been wearing my old ones again, which are making my feet hurt now because they've been worn so much. And I thought, you know what? I used to love a Reebok Classic. A Reebok Classic when I was at college, like when I was 16, 17. All I wore was baby blue ones, baby pink ones. Just absolutely loved them. And the ones I like are the ones on the platform. Turns out you can only get them in the kids ones now. So I went onto the Reebok website 2 days ago. Today's Saturday, bearing in mind. This arrived just now and I ordered these 2 days ago. I found them on the kids website, on the Reebok website, for £33 with free delivery, because they do up to a size 5.5, and they've just arrived. And look, I'm like fully reliving my 16-year-old chav goth self. I just love them. They've got like the sort of the holographic pink and the platform. I just love them, and I'm just very excited. So yeah, 33 quid from Reebok direct with free shipping. It's all my new trainers, but you're not here for that. You're here for H&M. It's a H&M kids haul because we're going on a holiday, and also because it's summer and the kids have grown and they just have no clothes that fit them. Ari's been off school all week because she's been poorly, and yesterday I took Mika to school and I came back and Aria was dressed in a woolen party dress, and I was like, what's happening, mate? And she was like, I haven't got any other dresses. And I was like, okay, we're gonna go shopping. So we went shopping. So this is more of the stuff in here is for Aria. I think she chose more from here and Mika chose more from Primark. The Primark haul is probably already up. If it is, I'll link it somewhere. But I spent £52, I think. Let me look. £53, 12p in H&M. So the first thing out is Mika's. I don't pick stuff for the kids now. I let them choose what they want. So we went and this is what they chose. So Mika chose this black t-shirt dress with a unicorn on it. It's just a straight up and down nice black unicorn dress. She also chose these, which are 60% organic cotton. I think these are like the sustainable kind of wear, but they're just two little strappy shoulder dresses, come in a 2-pack, bright pink and then a lemon yellow. Really cute. I got myself some shorts, just cycling shorts, and then they're like ribbed ones, and then these are just plain boring as fuck black cycling shorts. And then Aria chose some dresses. These were on 3 for 2. These were £5.99 each, and they're on 3 for 2. And these are the 75% organic cotton and 25% recycled cotton, so I think it is the sustainable fashion range. She got this little green one with the pretty sort of frilly sleeves and the little butterfly details. She got a little yellow one, which is really cute, similar kind of design. And these, like, Aria's very much like into her bold patterns, so those two I was like, oh, she's tamed down a little bit. No, she then went for unicorns. These are £2.99 each. There's already quite a lot of stitches coming out of them, but we've had them from there before and they last at least a summer. So and then again, more of her bold patterns. She went for the I think these are cats, I'm not sure. Cute little black one. And then she, because it's Aria, a bunny that's got like the changes colour. He all changes colour, and then he's got a pom-pom on him. So he can be silver or he can be copper. Yeah, really cute. So I told you it was just a little tiny haul, just a tiny weeny one. But yeah, that was it. I do love H&M, but their sizing just pisses me off. Like everything was either like small, medium, large, and I'm like, well, what is that? What is a medium? So I had to like Google and find out what sizes correlated to what letters. But then other things on the same rack were like 8, 10, 12, and I'm like, what is going on? And I've been in there before where I've like tried on a pair of dungarees in a 14 and they're like fit perfect, and then I've gone to get the same dungarees in a different colour but the same style, and I can't even get in a 16, and it's like, what is happening? Like, this sizing really pisses me off. H&M are one of the worst ones for sizing, so I don't go very often, but I do really like the kids' clothes. So yeah, thanks for watching and I love you, bye.